Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rotten X chemical detected. Recently, researchers have detected the presence of hydrogen sulfide, the chemical compound responsible for the pungent smell of rotten eggs, on exoplanet HD 189733b. The chemical was detected in the planet's atmosphere using the James Webb Space Telescope. The planet, discovered in 2005, is a scorching hot gas giant slightly larger than Jupiter. It is located 64 light years from Earth in the constellation Vulpecula within the Milky Way galaxy. It is cobalt blue in color and experiences molten glass rain that blows sideways in its fierce atmospheric winds. The planet is categorized as a hot Jupiter. It is approximately 10% larger than Jupiter in both diameter and mass and orbits 170 times closer to its host star than Jupiter does to the Sun. Its proximity to its star results in extreme temperatures, with the side facing the star reaching about 930 degrees Celsius. The research also revealed the presence of water and carbon dioxide in HD 189733b's atmosphere. Let's know about James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is a large, infrared telescope designed to observe the most distant objects in the universe. It is a collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Its primary mission is to study the early universe, the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets, and the atmospheres of exoplanets. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which of the following chemical compounds is responsible for the pungent smell of the rotten eggs? Nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, methane, or ammonia? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.